Hey there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Claude AI inside Antigravity IDE. So we have to go for the Antigravity IDE at first. I have already installed it. Here you can see this is the interface. I'll go at the browser and I'll go for the Antigravity at first. So I'll say Antigravity and search it. Here you can see antigravity.google.com. We have to go there, and here we have this button download. We click here and we are in the download page. Here you can see we have Antigravity 2.0, and if we scroll a little bit down we have Antigravity CLI, and if we scroll a little bit down we have Antigravity IDE. Okay, so we'll go with this one, IDE, because if you don't use the IDE you can't actually use here extension and all this stuff, terminal and all this stuff. Okay, so you have to actually skip this Antigravity 2.0. You have to go through Antigravity IDE. Okay, it is kind of VS Code. Okay, so you should go with this one. So I'm from Windows, so I'm going to select this one, and if you're from Mac, select this one. That's it, and install it. I already installed it. Here you can see. Now what you have to do, you have to go for the extension section. Here you can see, and here you have to search for an extension that is called Claude Code for VS Code, and here you can see this one, 19 million, right? Download. So you have to go through this. I already installed this. You just have to install it, and when you will install this you will get here Claude Code chat option. You can see under this extension section we have Claude Code chat option. Here we have new session, and I already logged into my account, and there will be your login information. I mean, they will ask for the login. Okay, so you have to log in through your account, and then you can actually click a new session to add chat. Now I want to actually add new session in a specific folder. Let's say I want to create my project at first, so I'm going to click here open folder, then go to the download, and let's say this one I want to add as my project. Now I'll go here in this Claude chat option, and here I'll go for the new session. Here you can see new session, and now here if I if I want to create a project, I can actually give here a prompt. Let's say I want to create a portfolio site, so I'll give here a prompt, and then it will actually generate a complete website for me.